Seen all these daft videos about like people taking all these washers off and that to make it a responsive yo-yo. Because at the moment, this is responsive at the moment, but I'm just going to show you what you need to do. Basically, the same sort of loop you do to put on your finger, like that, where you put it through the loop and then pull it like that. It's got like a noose. It's the same sort that you'd be putting around the yo-yo, right? But the only difference is, before that, you put a knot in it.
Dogs have hands too. Clean them every day with pedigree dentisticks to help keep their teeth and gums healthy.
Right.
Penny sale is back. Holland and Barrett. Buy any product included in
There we go.
and get another product.
So you get your loop, tie a knot in it at the end of it there, like a normal one. Then put that around there. Right, now that's an unresponsive. Right, so then you make another loop. Pull that string through there.
Did you know Nestle breakfast cereals like Shreddies, Cheerios and shredded wheat have whole grain as the #1 ingredient? They are also high in fibre.
Hopefully this makes it.
They have no artificial colours or flavours. We're Nestle cereals. Just look for the green banner.
Right, as you can see, there's the knot from the other one. I'll just wrap that over the top of that.
Sports gear done. Enjoying your New Year's resolutions, anyone? Just get the cooker on. Make yourself some really healthy.
That's it, right? And then you put that together.
With a range of fish for just £3.19 per pack at Asda. Healthy food for January.
And I'll show you a video of it working.